If someone's heart suddenly stopped beating, like, would you know what to do? Well, most people wouldn't, but there's a device hanging on the walls at schools, gyms, and other places that can literally save someone's life. It's called an AED, and this is what it actually does. AED stands for Automated External Defibrillator. It's a device used during sudden cardiac arrest or when the heart's electrical system stops working properly. The most important thing about AEDs is that anyone can use them, not just doctors. That means you can save someone's life. Now, a big misconception people don't really understand is that cardiac arrests aren't the same thing as heart attacks. See, a heart attack is usually a blockage problem, whereas cardiac arrest is an electrical problem where the heart rate becomes chaotic and the heart cannot pump blood to the rest of the body. And that's when an AED is actually needed. Movies make it seem like AEDs restarts a flatlined heart, but that's not actually what it does. What it actually does is reset dangerous heart rhythms. It basically sends a controlled electrical shock that changes the heart's normal beating rhythm back to its natural state of dum, 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 or whatever it was going at. And here's the cool part about AEDs. It analyzes the heart rhythm first. It won't shock you unless it detects an abnormality. That's when you actually need a shock from an AED. And here's the reason why anyone can use an AED. An AED, once you turn it on, it gives step-by-step instructions that anyone can just listen to and use, and basically every instruction is pretty easy and simple. It basically tells you where you need to put the pads, what you need to do, tell everyone to clear, and it just tells you when you need to shock, and all you have to do is press a button. And that's why AEDs are placed in public places, so that anyone can access them anywhere, anytime to save someone's life. Now, why does this all matter in the first place? When someone's heart stops, every minute or any second that passes is crucial to their survival. The more time that prolongs is the less their survivability. Using an AED quickly can double or even triple someone's survivability rate. So knowing what that box on the wall does, it actually matters. So here's a quick recap. An AED is used for sudden cardiac arrest. It can be used by anyone and has simple instructions inside of it that allow anyone to save anyone's life. And it's basically found literally everywhere. It's the box on the wall. And all it does is correct dangerous heart rhythms. Now, if you want more health science stuff explained short, simple, quick, then I recommend you subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna be posting whenever I have time. Real short, simple videos that you can just watch that explain things that could potentially save someone's life, or if you're going into the health science field, or if you just are curious. Thank you for watching.